Day 4 on the cruise, and it don't even feel like it. It don't even feel like I've been here that long. But so today we explored Bermuda, as y'all saw, and I was solo. Love that for me, because I need my solo experience so that when I do start wanting to take trips by myself and I don't feel like waiting on nobody to pay their money, I can go by myself, period. So I had a great time by myself, and I'm gonna do it again tomorrow. Hey y'all, we made it to Bermuda off the plane. I'm talking about off the cruise. Now I'm waiting on the ferry. It's supposed to be here at 2:15. And I'm solo traveling. Wow, out here sitting pretty. So we about to get on this ferry, but ain't no way they over here playing Trick Daddy, Daddy. I need a daddy. Y'all, they playing that R&B. What do you know about that in Bermuda? Okay, so this vlog is definitely out of order because I didn't record properly. Like, this was the most bootleg vlog ever, but we're here. I mean, we made it to Bermuda. I am on the Carnival cruise, and technically it was a group trip with my church, but I don't know anybody at my church for real. So I was solo traveling the whole time, and I took the ferry to Hamilton in the Bermuda. And the water was so gorgeous, like Bermuda Triangle blue. Y'all, I love the architecture. I wanted to go inside of some of these homes, but of course I wasn't able to. I mean, I was only there for 2 days on the cruise. 2 days is not enough, y'all. Just think about that. But the cruise is a nice experience. Once I arrived to Hamilton, my goal was to go on the Crystal Cave tour, but your girl did not wake up early enough. So I decided to grab me some food first because I was starving. I woke up, I just got ready to get off the plane. I keep saying the plane, but it's really the cruise. Anyways, I tried this, like almost like a build your own bowl. It is a build your own bowl place, but it's nothing like Cava, Meza, or any of those places. Their menu is very diverse. My food was I didn't finish it. I really didn't. I just got a lot of good ingredient sources of protein, things that are great for anemia, beans, just stuff that I need for my body, but everything did not mix together. I was pretty much just trying to eat to survive. Like I said, I was trying to catch the bus to Crystal Cave tour, but that did not work out. I ran all the way to the bus stop. Really don't know what I'm doing here. And I told y'all I'm solo traveling. But I asked one of the people that were at the bus stop, where can I get a good massage? And they recommended this place right here. So you know I pulled up. I'm going to get a 30-minute massage. She's giving me a special for today because I wasn't expecting the rate when I got here. She's very nice. So thank you to her. I'm just gonna give. It's very clean in here. Smells really good. She has plants and it's giving more organic and clean. So I really like that. Y'all, so we had a good massage. A Thai lady did my massage. It was a 10 out of 10. Like, I fell asleep. I was snoring in the massage. I felt bad. Dang, I was snoring and I was slobbing. But she broke my back in, and I might go see her again tomorrow. As long as I get up early enough and I got the funds in my account, you know? After that lovely massage experience, I headed back on the ferry. And then I caught this cruise that I paid for before getting on the ferry. And they were selling $30 tickets to the Hamilton Nights. And all it included was a drink. All I had to do was stick with the ferry, y'all. Don't get played. Don't get played. So FYI, when you're cruising and they're selling tickets at dockside, just wait a minute, because you might find a cheaper rate, you know what I'm saying, or escape. But after that, I went to Harlem Nights, and it reminded me of when I've been. The energy, the performances, and everything was so good. And the street food, they had decent options. So I tried this Biscoff waffle and I walked around. It was pretty decent. I love Biscoff, but I should have got a fruit flavor, you know. But I was excited to try this. I'm so greedy. But this popsicle, though, a 10 out of 10, baby. I could eat a couple of them fresh fruit. I love me some fresh fruit. Pizza. Hey, this is so cute. Vegan options were limited, but I did get me some fresh fruit. Really, really good. But I had to get me a nice meal because I really haven't ate much of nothing. So I got these noodles with vegetables and shrimp. It was good. It was very hot, like hot as ever. Not spicy, but like fresh off the stove hot. Like, do you see my face? Girl, dude. Ooh. I just had to let y'all know that dinner was pretty good, but it's a noisy environment. It's 8:41 p.m. It was time for me to go back to the ferry if I wanted to ride the ferry back, because I wasn't riding the bus. No.
You don't love me, I know now. Now the people.
One thing I can say is I do love Bermuda's culture. They showed out, you feel me? And I liked this machine as well. Like, he was live and the machine was on TikTok live and showing me myself. I was like, ooh, I need that. Back on the ferry we go, because the bus is a little too, they drive their buses a little different than what they drive in America over here. So yeah, I'm a little nervous, but yeah, so I'm headed back. And FYI, y'all, Bermuda is very expensive. Please save. Please plan. For me, this was a spontaneous trip. I'd be doing whatever. I just love having my own freedom and choosing what I want to do without asking anybody. So yeah, day one in Bermuda, I really enjoyed myself. And now here go the strangers. Stranger danger.
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say?
Whatever you want to say, you can shout yourself out.
Oh, okay. Why didn't you come at Ocean Plaza?
I don't know where's the Ocean Plaza? Where is it?
Oh, really now?
You talking about out there? I was out there.
Yeah, in the ship. Inside
On the ship. Oh yeah, of course. I just don't know the name of it. I'm sorry. I've been outside on the ship.
You're looking beautiful, bro.
Thank you.
What's your name again?
Trinity.
What?
Trinity.
Trinity. Oh!
Yes.
The Father and the Son and the Holy.
Right.
My God, my God.
Right.
Yeah!
Oh Lord.
My Jesus, Jesus. Ah. Trinity. Trinity. Somebody say Trinity. Somebody say.
I know he had you cracking up this whole week, hasn't he? You came with him?
I play with him. We are in the
You came on the ship with him?
No, we're working the ship.
together.
We're working.
Oh, y'all work together? Y'all work on the ship? This your day off?
We're musicians.
Yeah, day off.
Oh, this your day off?
This is my day
I mean, your hours off.
This is my day off. It's my day off.
Yeah, he's going on YouTube for sure.
We were outside.
What you been drinking?
He only had 6 beers.
6 beers. Wow.
Let's go.
Come on. This guy.
Where's the party at? It is.
Yeah. Good question.
Hi y'all. So we're ending off. What day is this? I got here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is day 4 on the cruise, and it don't even feel like it. It don't even feel like I've been here that long. But so today we explored Bermuda, as y'all saw, and I was solo. Love that for me, because I need my solo experience so that when I do start wanting to take trips by myself and I don't feel like waiting on nobody to pay their money, I can go by myself. Period. So I had a great time by myself, and I'm going to do it again tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we're going to the Crystal Cave. We may go to breakfast if I get up on time. I'm about to go in here, take a shower, and lay it down so that I can get up on time. And what else we doing? What else are we doing? We might get another massage. I don't know yet, because she told me $45 and she ended up charging me $70, and I don't play like that. So I'm gonna talk to her about that tomorrow. I'm gonna text her. If not, then we have the pamper party with the cruise, and we're gonna stick to that. But good night, y'all.